Hi, everyone. This is Devins Financial Weekly Stock Analysis Newsletter. Today is January 7th, 2018. Our newsletter is for your informational purpose only. We're not responsible for your gains and losses. Let's take a look at current market trend of our strategy. U.S. stock market is in uptrend. Many stocks have broken out from a base. I'm currently long the market with the ETFs and stocks. Let's take a look at indices. The German DAX index is still consolidating. U.S. Nasdaq made a new high. This is a very strong uptrend. U.S. SP 500 made a new high as well. And gold may be turning to the uptrend. It's waiting to be confirmed. Right now, it's in the process of turning. Silver also looks like it might be turning to the uptrend. Gold mining stock ETF and turning from the short-term downtrend, turning up. Crude oil is making a new high. Crude oil is on the in uptrend. 3 times financial ETF FAS. This FAS is breaking out from the base. 3 times semiconductor ETF SOXL also looks like it's about to breaking out from this W base, double bottom base. Tech 3 times technology ETF made a new high. Technology index is making new highs. Let's take a look at some of the strong ETF as well as the stocks. AI sector ETF, BOTZ, this one broke out from this cup without handle base. So the breaking out from the base and the expecting go up. ROBO, another AI ETF, also breaking out from the base. AIEQ, this is a new ETF in the AI sector, broke out from this base. ARKK is a high-tech innovation ETF. This ETF has some position in Bitcoin. Maybe that's why it outperformed all the other technology-related ETFs. So it's pretty strong uptrend. China ETFs, CHIQ in uptrend, CQQQ. This is China technology ETF uptrend. KWEB also in the uptrend. It broke out from this cup base. MCHI also broke out from the cup base uptrend. Now it's a defense ETF, ITA uptrend, very strong uptrend. XAR also in the uptrend, all broke out from this tight flat base. FFTY, this is a innovative IBD 50 fund. This is a 50 stocks chosen by Investor Business Daily. It's basically a website and a newsletter, and they do a lot of fundamental analysis plus the technical analysis, and they choose the 50 most strongest stocks and form this ETF, and they rebalance not automatic but manually. GBTC weekly chart, GBTC daily chart. This is tied with the Bitcoin ETF. Looks like it probably, if you want to buy Bitcoin, it probably be better to set up a account with a Coinbase instead of buy the ETF, because this ETF only trade during the market hours, during the U.S. market hours. So, but the Bitcoin is trading 24/7. So the risk is there if you buy GBTC instead of the Bitcoin itself. So I just use this to analyze the trend. So it looks like Bitcoin is consolidating. I don't see Bitcoin is broken down. It might be just consolidating here, and it's still in the midst of the uptrend. HACK, it's a cybersecurity ETF and uptrend. ITB is a home builder ETF uptrend, very strong uptrend. XHB, another home builder ETF uptrend. iPay mobile payment uptrend. Right now it's overextended. LIT is a lithium ETF and broke out from the base here. QQQ is a high-tech ETF uptrend. Now, rare earth ETF, REMX, this is a strong uptrend. And once the trend is set in motion, it keeps going up. Every day it go up a little bit. Semiconductor ETF is consolidating still within the base. It may break out from the base 104. Once it break out from this base, it expect to go up. SOXX is another semiconductor ETF. SOXCL is social media ETF. So those are the ETFs. Let's take a look at the stocks. China stock Alibaba, very strong uptrend, and it's about to break out from this base. Auto Home ATHM, this broke out already, and it's out of the buy range. The buy range is basically you find the breakout pivotal point, which is 10 cents above the previous high here. It's a $65.86, and 5% above that breakout pivotal point. That's a buy range. Right now, this one is out of the buy range. JD reversed the downtrend going up. Cena reversed the downtrend also going up. Tencent is about to break out from this base. And Weibo is also about to break out from this cup base. So those are the China stocks. Let's take a look at the US stocks. Adobe uptrend, and after that uptrend. Amazon just broke out from this base, 1213. That's a base. Right now it's a 1229. Broke out from this base. Boeing also broke out from this tight flat base. Caterpillar is in the uptrend, very strong uptrend. Facebook broke out from this base. Home Depot uptrend, very nice uptrend. Lockheed Martin broke out from this base. Microsoft broke out from this very short base, and previously it's a base on base. NVIDIA finishes correction. It's about to break out from the previous high to 18.52 cents, 10 cents above this, which is 218.62. That would be a breakout. And United Healthcare about to break out from this base as well. Walmart is about to break. Walmart already broke out. Sorry, Walmart already broke out from this flat base. So those are the stocks that is about to break out, or some of them already broken out. And next thing I would like to mention is the AI sector had a tremendous growth the year before, last year and last year. So in the coming year, 2018, expecting AI will have a lot more IPO go on the market, a lot more company get bought out, and AI sector is going to be really hot. NVIDIA is a key, and NVIDIA makes the GPU chip that is widely used in the AI training the neural network. So NVIDIA is something we need to keep a close eye on. And besides NVIDIA, one we can also consider using ETFs, ROBO, BOTZ. Those are the AI ETF. We can invest in AI sector through those ETFs. And what to do right now, just long the market, and we can use ETFs to invest. That'll be all for this week. See you next week.